Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we have started exploration of NLP, which is natural language processing. So let's continue this journey of exploration. I have decided to use Google Colab to explaining this in NLP because we have already seen VS Code, Jupyter Notebook and only Google Colab is remaining so that we can get used to all coding platforms that are used in Python. So to use Google Colab, you just have to open a new tab in Google and just type Google Colab and the output will be in front of you. So what is this Google Colab? It is a free tool that allows user to write and run Python code through their browsers. And this will be the first string, which is research.google.com. Just click on this link, which is welcome to collaborating. I have already taught you that how you can create a new notebook just by clicking here. And the new notebook will be get created in front of you. So it's loading. Let's wait for a few seconds. So this is the simple user interface of Google Colab. Now let's simply name this file. So the file name will be NLP and it is done. In this video, we will be exploring the first concept that I introduced in last video, which was tokenization. So let's start exploring this tokenization. So let's give a heading of this video, which is tokenization. So I will simply create a new cell and just type. After writing the name, you can simply click Shift Enter and this is done. And you can simply delete this cell which is of no use. So let's just make few changes. So let's increase the text size and make it bold so that it will look good. And Control Enter. Let's Shift Enter. So this is the title of today's video. Now what is tokenization? So let's use Google to find the definition, and also I have to look the definition in last video only, which is tokenization is the process of breaking down a piece of text into individual words or tokens, which means a sentence can be broken into small parts of words or also characters. So let's understand this concept. So let's move to our Google Colab, which is this, and I will simply import most important package for NLP, which is NLTK. So what is this NLTK? So NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. It is a popular Python library for NLP, as you can see. So let's install it. So to install it, just add an exclamation mark and type pip install NLTK. I hope everything is capital. And let's run the cell to see the output, or is there any error. So it will take some time to install NLTK. So let's wait. So the requirement is already satisfied. As in Google Colab, NLTK comes pre-installed. So let's write a sentence. So sentence will be. So this is a sentence that I have written, which is I love to eat pizza. Actually it's false, but for your understanding I have written the sentence. So let's run this cell by clicking Shift plus Enter. So this is sentence. Now let's import NLTK. So I will simply type here. So as you can see, I have simply imported two imports, which is import NLTK and from NLTK.tokenize import word tokenize. So this will help you to tokenize a sentence. So let's run this cell. So this cell has run successful, as you can see. Now let's simply use the above sentence that I have written to tokenize it. So I will simply type. So this is a line of code that will help you to tokenize a sentence. So let's run this cell to see the output. So as you can see, it is giving me the error that resource PUNKT is not found. So this is an important function which is used to tokenize the sentence. So let's simply copy this code and just paste it here, which is here. So I will simply paste the code here. Let's run these two cells once again to see the output. And as you can see, the cell has run successfully. Now simply print it. So I will simply type here tokens. So the output is in front of you, which is I love to eat pizza. So as you can see, it has simply separated each word in element of a list. Now if you want to simply separate each character, then what is the command? So the command is really very simple. So I will simply type here character. So this is a variable. After that, a list of sentence. So it is not analytical library, it is simply a list normal. So I hope this runs, and let's print the character also. So the output is so this is space LOVE space 2 space EAT pizza and along with exclamation mark. So in this video we have successfully completed word tokenize and list, where we simply separated the sentence based on words or even characters. Now let's try to use another function, which is, let's say, this only. So this is the method, this word punch is tokenized. It is similar to word punctuation, but the difference is that it gives more priority to the exclamation mark or other punctuation marks as compared to word tokenize. So the code will be 100% same. I will just type a tokenize and underscore PUNC to save the data or output, and I will simply write here word. Let's copy paste the method name only, and the output will be just print output. It will be similar to this word tokenize only, but here the priority to exclamation mark is given more as compared to this. So there is no difference for this example, but you can explore about these two concepts in depth. So this is the main difference. As you can see, the difference between word punch tokenization and word tokenization lies in how they handle punctuation mark. This is what I want to explain you to. So this is the definition of word tokenize, and this is a definition of word punctuation tokenize that I have explained. And this is the example, and this is a summary of these two functions. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And also, if you face any queries while understanding this tokenization, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is available in your description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.